Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody on this lovely Friday. I hope y'all was able to get y'all bacons and all of that good stuff. I was not about to get up at no 3 a.m. in the morning to get no shoes and take no L's. I just went on paid the up, and they should be here shortly, so stay tuned for that video. Also, I'm like 18 away from a milestone. That's 6.5. That's on the march to 7,500 to 10K. That has been eluding me. So it's got grind, trying to build this channel. We're also trying to build a Who Has the Heat channel. I think we got about 320. The goal is 1K. Y'all already know that. If you haven't subscribed to the home team, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ, by all means do so, as well subscribe to my featured channel. They are up there. Now I'm gonna, in an effort to get straight into this video, because people say, hey, man, it's you talk too much, just get straight to the stuff. So yes, I am gonna get straight into it, because this may have a lot to go over in this shoe. It's different, it's unique. You know, some people aren't open to change. So boy, oh boy, and this is out there. And here we are, a PP personal pair, size 10 men, 11.5 women. These are Air Force One Premium. These are called the Silver Swoosh. Fisher colorway, black, white, laser crimson. Suggested retail price $130. They were $60 in the store. And let's open it up like so. You got the receipt, and you see you got your paper with the pop-out stars, and you got it like this, and bam, look at that old rankle, stankle, tumble, rumble on these joints right there. You definitely got the Las Vegas Raider vibes in. I don't know, hopefully I ain't talking too loud, but definitely you ain't got the Raider vibes in these joints right here. Some people gonna hate it because you got the all white outsole, which is really gonna get dirty. So I'm already to that fact. So I mean, look at that though. Look at that rankle stinker. Look at that tumble, basketball, football leather in these joints. You got perforated holes. You got air right there. You got your laces. You got Nike Air Force on the tongue, which is very dope. Coming around on the side, right, you got this removable swoosh, this zipper, so you can do it like so, take it out like that. That is really dope. So what you think? You should leave it like that, because they did have some back in the day, some Air Force One that was just like this, but they were just like more like a patent leather. Then you got the Nike Air on the back, right? Nike Air on the back of these joints. And then on this side you got some wrinkle, stankle, tumble, rumble, white on this joint. And you got your black sock liner, so you wear black sock, white sock, it doesn't matter. You actually got a shoe tree in these joints. And the production date is 1/8/23/520. So let's see. So we went silver, right? If you're a Raider fan, you are who else got San Antonio Spurs? You got LA Kings. You can roll that way, or you can come up here in your little goodie bag, of course. Open it up. You could do white on white, which is very interesting. Some people be like, man, I don't want all that crap hanging from my shoe. So you can see that like so. I don't know which way. Okay, here we go. We got to go this way. So you put it in there like that. This is very interesting. It is very interesting, I must say. Because I guess, of course, hold on, let me make sure I'm doing it right. Nope, wrong side. Reading is fundamental. Because you got gray and you got both of these swooshes here. You got white. So you see you got it like that, like so. So I'm guessing, oh, this one is the shiny part. So you go in here like this, put it in there like so, and then you just zip it together. Hold on, well, it should be the other way. Let me get it situated. Go in there. We put it in here like so. Okay, it ain't as easy as it looks. Okay, we got to do it like that. Get it up. Get together, E-Money. You see, you got like that. Well, that failed. Duh. So let's go back. Just like your jacket, right? As you can see, I should be able to do this perfectly. I got on a jacket right now, but it could become annoying. And then you zip it up, and bam, it is back on there. All right. So you got it like that. Okay, here's my white one. So we're gonna take this off. We're gonna zip it like so. Right, take it off. Take it off, take it off. Put that in. We're gonna roll with the white joints. So we're gonna roll it back like this. And slide it right in the puka. And we zip it. If it'll zip, bam. So what y'all think? The white one, white on white, right? I'll do one more just to see how y'all feeling. I drop my keys in there on my little break. So we got white on white. We'll take that off. And let's try, we got, I guess a fuchsia color or a pinkish type color with the swoosh. Like I said, I understand this is not for everyone. All right, this is not for everyone regarding this stuff. So we'll go right here. If you want to put it on out there, we'll zip it up like so. Crazy, crazy concept. And you got it like that. So you can kind of change the look and feel of the shoe of how you might want it. But actually, I think for now, I'm going to go with the white one. The white one, the white on white. White on black looks pretty good in my opinion. So we're going to go with that. Go back. And with the zipper. And voila. See? That like so. When you got the black insole as well. So you guys let me know what you think about this shoe. Would it be a go? Is it something that you'd be interested in? Like I said, you get this big old packet, right? I just took the zippers off. Only little meter. It's an interesting concept. It's kind of like the Jordan 1 switch. So with that being said, out of scale of meter 1 to 5, I give it about a 4.5. So here and there. I mean, 130, I wouldn't buy it, but like $60 or $50, it's worth for try it. You can never go wrong with the Air Force One. And as you can see, look at it, just tumbled all over, and you can smell it on that. So yes, 4.4-ish, 4.5-ish out of 5. All right, leave a comment suggestion below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all tomorrow for Who Has the Heat sneaker battle. Me and my kicks, Marcus from the Soulmates, we gonna be in the building. Peace.